purpose of this video is to demonstrate installation of a reverse valve lever into the back cap of the 2161 XP impact tool. In the demonstration, the back cap is locked into a soft-jawed vise and a socket is used to facilitate the procedure. Place the wave washer spring onto the reverse lever. Place the snap ring on top. Using two small slot screwdrivers and your dominant hand, guide the end of the snap ring into the groove, and with your other hand, help maintain the snap ring's position. Continue alternating hands in order to guide the snap ring into place so that it seats completely as shown. This concludes the demonstration.